Hello. Okay, so we're going to finish up our chapter 13 topic with measurement on 13.6 solving perimeter and area problems. Okay, when we talk about perimeter, we're talking about the measuring the distance around all the way on the outside of the shape. Okay, so in order to figure out what the perimeter is, we're going to add all the different sides. Okay, so let's say I have this square here. Okay, right? Squares have all the same side lengths, all the same lengths of sides. Okay, so if this top side is 2, then this one would be 2, 2, and 2. So I'm going to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or I could do 2 times 4 because I have 2 4 times. Either way, it's going to be 8. Okay, so perimeter, we're going around the outside and we're adding them together. Okay, so let's say I have this rectangle. Okay, well, we know rectangles have two sides that are the same and then two sides that are the same. Okay, so if this top side is 7, the bottom side is going to be 7. If the right side is 4, the left side is going to be 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all those sides up. 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, and if I add all those up, I'll get 22 feet. Okay, if I have a square, 8 inches, well, you might say, well, Mrs. Brinka, there's only one number here, so I can't add them all up. Well, you know that this is a square, and we know that all sides of a square are equal. So in a square, all sides are equal. If one side is 8, they're all going to be 8. So I can add them all up, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or I can take 8 times 4. Okay, either way, you'll get 32 inches. So the perimeter going around the outside of this square is 32 inches. Okay, another rectangle. Well, again, I only have two numbers. I have this top number and I have this side number. Well, we know that this is a rectangle, so if the top side is 10 feet, the bottom side has to be 10 feet. Okay, and if the left side is 6 feet in a rectangle, the other side is going to be 6 feet as well. So I can add those all up. 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 6, and I would get 32 feet. So my perimeter is 32 feet. If I have this triangle, okay, 6 feet, 6 feet, and 5 feet, I'm going to add those up, okay, and I would get 17 feet. Okay, so that's perimeter. Perimeter, we're going around the outside and we're adding all of those up. Okay, now if I'm talking about area, that is the measurement of the inside. What is inside the shape? Okay, and to find area, we are going to multiply the length times the width. Okay, L times W. So perimeter, we add around the outside. Area, we need to find the inside, and we're multiplying. So to do that, let's say that I have this rectangle. Okay, one of my sides is 6, my length is 6 inches, my width is 4 inches. Okay, I need to find my area, so I'm going to do L times W, length times width, and I have 6 times 4. 6 is my length, 4 is my width. If I multiply those together, I would get 24 inches. Okay, if I come over here, I have a square. Okay, I only have one number right here, 2 inches. All I can say that's my length or my width, but I don't have another one. But I know that a square, all sides are equal. So if my length is 2 inches, then my width also has to be 2 inches. So the area of this square would be 4 inches because I'm taking my length, 2, my width, there would be a 2 up here. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so if I have a snake exhibit that is 9 feet long and has an area of 72 feet. Well, they gave me the length. It's 9 feet long. But they never told me how long, what my width is, how wide it is, okay? But they gave me the area. So what we need to figure out is, what is the width of the snake exhibit? Well, in order to figure this out, I'm going to take length times width equals area. Okay, well, I'm going to put in what I know. I know that my length is 9 times I don't know what, because I don't know what my width is, but I know that my area is 72 feet. So 9 times something is going to equal 72. Okay, now I can divide that. Well, I know that 72 divided by 9 is going to equal 8 feet. So my width would be 8 feet. Okay, so I know that now I know that the length of the snake exhibit is 9 feet. The width is 8 feet, and it has an area of 72 feet because I multiplied 9 and 8 together. Well, my next question is, what is the perimeter of the snake exhibit? Well, I already know that my length is 9, my width is 8, so I'm going to assume that my exhibit is like a rectangle, okay? It has 9 on one side, the length, which means my other side has to be 9. My width is 8, so both sides have to be 8. So I can then take 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8, and when I do that and put that together, I get 34 feet. So my perimeter would be 34 feet, where my area is 72 feet. Okay? Okay. Now, you can head into Pearson now, watch your little video, and do your 2 assignments. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.